Here we are in beautiful Bennington, Vermont for Splash and Wag's 2022 World Championship Qualifier at the campground here in Crouseville, part of Bennington. And we're gonna get ourselves a shrimp boil going. Corn. We've got potatoes, we've got garlic, we've got onions, and over here we've got 34 pounds of shrimp, carrots, artichokes, mushrooms, asparagus, sausage, little smokies. Getting ready.
If it's not close enough, you can find a new butcher. And all the 10 acres of vegetables and fruit. The place is $100 a month. What goes next?
You tell me.
Don't film me chopping my golf fingers off, John.
Look at this guy. Yeah, holy cow.
Say
He is risking life and limb. Biggest one. Woo! All right, Pam. Dump, dump, dump. First in goes the salt. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
You gotta shake it.
Woo!
You have to shake it.
Come on, Pam. Shake it.
Shake it, shake it, shake it.
Woo! All right, next, dump in the seasoning packet.
What's that, John?
It's just, no, it's Zatarams.
Oh, is that? Oh, so put that bag and all.
Yep, so the spices don't get all over it.
I said about 60, 80 pounds of profit. I love profit.
Yeah, it was fun. Next, go in the Louisiana seafood seasonings. And then, Gary, if you could bring over the lemons, please. Good job, Pam. Perfect. All right, now it's starting to smell like a boil. Squeeze and drop. Look at those big, strong hands.
I like it. We're going to squeeze some more in there?
Yep, go ahead.
All
Squeeze
of them
them.
one at a time?
Yep,
I
all of them.
like the wing one and yell bam like Emerald, but I know it's splash hot water.
You can do that.
No, I don't
Might
want
get
to try it.
fined for copyright privileges,
No,
but
I want splash hot water on
boy, that smells good.
it. Sure does.
Pam, you did a good job.
No idea that package.
First go the artichokes.
Exactly right. 2 chokes.
2 chokes.
Uno, dos. Uno, dos.
All right. All right, next go the new potatoes. Gary's going to try to hurt me here with the splash. Who opened these bags? You're fired. All right. Potatoes, 1.5 bags of carrots. There we go. Next, the whole onions, pearl onions. All right. And then John grabbed right here half of the corn right here behind Pam. And then half the corn. Just estimate. Just be careful not to hurt yourself.
I don't know how to estimate. Just watch the splash out. Watch the splash.
All right, next mushrooms. All right, dump half the sausage and
Okay, how about the asparagus? Does it go in?
that's going to go in at the very end. We just want that to barely cook a little. go with the sausage or kibasi and little smokies. All right, sir. And go to Shrimpies. You can go 16 pounds at first.
Alright. 4, 5. Burger's taking a little longer to cook.
Last thing is asparagus. That's pretty tender stuff, so.
I'm taping.
All right, here we go. First.
That's, oh my gosh. Can you make it?
Is it draining?
It's draining.
Holy cow.
That's a lot of weight.
That's a lot.
You got another, didn't burn you?
Holy cow. All right. Oh, got a straggler.
We're going to blame
Get
Gary.
a little zoom in on that there.
We're going to blame Gary for another one.
Damn Gary.
Damn that Gary.
Watch the front. You want to see.
That's a shrimp oil right there, baby.
There you go.
We got 4. We got 2 Yeah, flip it. That was off yet. Never mind.
Ready?
Yep. You got it.
I'm gonna lose all that shrimp, that's for sure. Awesome.
Oh, Gary dropped another one. Gary, we're blaming any problems on Gary.
Look at that. Oh, man. That does, doesn't it?
So,
Whew. All right, yeah, rip those apart, John.
they're a little hot still.
No, it's okay.
All right, there's our first customer. All right, gonna load you up. If there's anything that you want more of, that's what the tongs are for. Let me know when to stop. Is that good? Okay. And there's salt, Old Bay, hot sauce, Cajun seasoning, and melted butter.
I'll go get the other side. Butter? Butter, my dear?
Oh, I did 8 entire.
You're higher, a little butter from Wayne.
Pretty good, huh?
I threw a 4. I mean, it's a bit onion.
Perfect night here. Green Mountain Dock Dogs. Krausville.
Thank you very much.
Space, I see another butter buyer coming up. I gotta go. Don't eat that off the jar. Oh, God.
There you go. Is it any good?
A little grit on that sausage.
Oh, yeah.
And while we had some free time, we threw a pork shoulder on the smoker and cooked it for 16 hours. Now, on to the action.
How's the event going so far there, boss?
It's going awesome.
You guys are doing an unbelievable job.
It was a great weekend so far. We're going to finish it out strong with finals here and speed, and everybody's going to have some fun.
All right, man.
Great event, great food.
Thanks for everything.
Awesome job.
I'm like, no, that's the next one. They're like, yeah, it is. So I stood up and I'm like, no.
The old German Shepherd. Geez, you almost never see them anymore. I never see them in Dutchies and Mouse.
Excellent pop and twist. Guys, nice.
Oh! There you go.
Nice.
Get it. From here, man. There's the boss. The real boss. Good job, Jersey. Awesome weekend.
Reaction. Nice goofy jump. Reaction time, 0.401. Reaction time, 0.544.
There we go. Oh!
Holy cow!
Folks, Steve almost shut down the pool. We believe you.
Reaction time right there, 0.367.
Have a good time out there, everyone. Happy 4th of July to everybody.
Nice jump.
Nice jump out from Prince. We gotta get sexy out of there. Score coming in. Nice, Smiley going just go, baby. Mom's happy with that one.
Reaction time 0.521. Reaction time 0.666.
Feet 4 inches, 19 feet 4 inches. Excellent jump out of Lauren Austin. Excellent jump, great pop, great throw. Good job.
Boy, Austin.
Reaction time 0.776.
Score coming in for 1 point. Reaction time 0.53. Alright, is he going to beat 1707? His own score.
Good reaction time there with the
I want to hear that. Here we go. Oh, almost a catch, just went right behind his nose. Winners of the weekend. Beautiful height. Far jump right there from Milo. Score beat 2306.
Nice jump.
Brandon needs that move in speaker tree. That's a 5-second run right there. 21-2.
Woo!
Nice job. Thanks.
Oh, fast down by a .287. 1 for break. Then we gotta get speed of 3.462.
There's another dog from Team Liver Killer. Second dog in this group from.
Yeah, everything worked out great. Yeah.
Reaction point 508. Great jump. Great jump.
Oh, nice pop. Nice jump out of Austin. Nice jump. Beautiful 6-day. Beautiful jump. Nice job.
That was nice.
Laura might be a little happy.
That was nice.
Good job, Laura and Austin. Go! Nice.
Oh!
Scouty girl.
That was beautiful.
Reaction time right here, 0.310. She is swimming.
Beautiful throw and jump right there from Percy.
Reaction time 1.565. Is it gonna be?
You're like, no, you ain't holding me back. Ain't no way.
Throw.
Good girl, baby.
So,
Woo!
Good girl.
nice. While our camera works at 97
Here we go. Doubling with a catch right there at the very end. We'll take